Yeah, hi, my name is Paresh Padekar. In this video, we'll see how to install SQL Server 2017 on Windows Server 2012. I have already downloaded SQL Server 2017 Evaluation Edition from Microsoft site. Okay, let's open it. I have moved it to the another drive. Okay, let's mount this because as a image. Now right click on setup, run as administrator. Clear the windows. Installation. New SQL standards install if you can install reporting service directly from here if you want to install only reporting services on this machine. Management Studio will install it later once we install SQL Server database engine. Data tools, SQL Server data tools. If you want to install this, then you can install it from here. Then rest all the features are the same. Let's click on standard installation and start installation. Evaluation, accept, next. I'll choose database engine, application, machine learning later on. Now I need to install this. Two common things. I'm gonna install it on my set M drive. So I'll do the path. Name instance. I'll choose the name instead because I have 2014 already installed with the default instance. So it will not allow me with the default instance. So I need to install name instance only. So I'll choose SQL 2017. The same sense ID. Next. This machine is already added in AD domain. So I will choose the service account. I have common service account across my environment. Choose domain. Copy it. The password. Make the automatic for SQL agent. Grant perform only maintenance task related to SQL database instance file injection. Okay. This feature you can enable if you want to improve the performance. By default, it should be disabled. You should not enable it unless and until it's actually required. So I will not choose this option as of now. Next. Mix mode as usual. Set the password for AC. Say account. Add current user. Add domain. I'm adding service account as administrator. Domain. Data directory. MDB configuration 4 files. Okay, no problem. I'm making it as a one single file only. I don't want to add additional files. It's my my test machine, not a production. Next, start installation. Take some time. These are the temporary files. Let's go 62-bit WS extended. These are installer for .NET. .NET Forward 4.6 setup. 6. Okay. Let's restart it. So what I will do, let's open. Okay. Choose SQL Server 2017 configuration manager. If you choose 2014, will not show the 2017 service. And here I can all the other 2017 services as. So we choose 2017 configuration. It will show you the 2017 as well as 2014 service as well. That's 2014 Management Studio is already installed, so it's fine to connect 2017 SQL Server engine. Should not get any problem. Let's see. We'll try to connect it. Also, you can install 2017 Management Studio from the setup main page main page. Two thousand seventeen. Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you guys.